Are you tired of waking up feeling drained? That nightly rumble could be more than annoying. It's your body sending you a warning signal. Snoring can lead to serious health issues like chronic fatigue and even sleep apnea. Imagine waking up refreshed and ready for the day. By tackling snoring, you protect your long-term health. Snoring isn't just loud, it's a cry for help from your body. The struggle for air causes exhaustion and morning headaches. You may have tried devices or invasive procedures with no success. What if you could eliminate snoring naturally and easily? Introducing Snoran Plus, your solution to peaceful nights. These easy-to-take capsules are safe and effective. Snoran Plus fights snoring at its core. Our unique blend of plant-based ingredients works wonders. Peppermint and Eucalyptus reduce swelling in your nasal passages. Lemon Balm and Goldenseal soothe your throat, clearing your airways. Marshmallow root and thyme help ease coughing for smoother airflow. Picture drifting off to sleep effortlessly. You awake revitalized, without disrupting your partner's rest. Snoran Plus makes this dream a reality with a simple daily routine. With our 90-day money-back guarantee, you can try it risk-free. Take the first step towards restful nights and better breathing. Don't wait. Embrace a snore-free life now.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.